G'day, welcome to Todd's Kitchen. If you've ever had a cold, you know there's not much you wouldn't try to get rid of the symptoms. So join me today as I make my cold fighting juice recipe. Now into a juicer, we're going to place in one whole orange, skin off. Then a centimetre piece of ginger. Then 2 whole cloves of garlic. Then lastly 4 juicy carrots. Now to give this a taste. Not bad. I was a little hesitant about the garlic, but it's only a very slight taste. There's a hint of it, but you know, it's not the best tasting juice, but it's got everything you need to help fight a cold. It's not too bad. I'll be honest, it's not the type of juice I'd have every day, but it should help you with the cold, at least. Thank you for watching this episode of Todd's Kitchen. Well, the list of ingredients down below in the description bar. Please show me some love by giving me a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time for another delicious recipe.